What go on, my people? Bless up in a day, in a night, in a morning, anyone a day in a world, you see it. The man bless up to all of the Jamaican them in Jamaica, and bless up to all of the Jamaica them in the diaspora. And for the rest of the world, we are tuned into the channel. Just welcome, man, is me. Yeah. And just show the love and spread the word, you see it. Because right now we have to deal with what going on in Jamaica. Because guess what? There's some disturbing thing we are see in the media. Very disturbing by law officials. People are supposed to be professionals. Them paid to serve and protect and to reassure without malice towards none. You see it? So that video where me I go show right now, it will show the world and how the world and to Jamaicans where disbelief of these things are happening into the country. Well, you can see it from the eyes and hear it from yourself. Because them things are not right, you know. Yo, just listen to what the police, brother, deal with a law-abiding citizen. Where you want to go somewhere. Where you want to pass. Because the pass, man say you want to pass to go washing car down at the river. Is what man say? Just listen to the video. And after we reason down in the comment section. Because I forward back. Come elaborate on what me say. If you talk about it, because yo, them things are not right, yo. You see me? And before me play the video, see, the reason why I say, yo, to make Jamaican people see what go on with these kind of things in the street, because you have some Jamaican people still in disbelief that them things are happening. Them feel like say, yo, a people I do things to irritate the police, you understand, and I get in a police way. You get to me and say, but what them I do right, they so in the bush, in a dark corner, them never they on duty, them a eat. Furthermore, what police are doing in a bush are eat. Police more normally go in a open place or go in an office go eat. Whether them a eat privately, them go in an open space where them know say, yo, it's safe and it's so and say, yo, you understand? So gunman now come attack them. Well, we know gunman will attack police anyway, but when time gunman will more have a will of say, yo, them now go attack while them there in a civilian way. You understand? Now say, yo, them won't, you know, but it's more appropriate for police eat in a public space, in a restaurant, or in a them own space, but not in a bush. Is it that not work? What them a do right, that's what them do. See? But them a do this. But just make we play the video and see what go on, and we are gonna come back to the reason, is it? Yeah.
So here we are going with people. You see what I say? If you're on the road and I ask you to look away, that's how you might be here.
Before come here. You know it? Where am I? About we send you coming out. You know it? That's what I mean. I saw this fool like now. Let me let you run for more. You come and run for people. Hey, yeah, you're working on fire. Different fire. You're working on fire. Hey, boy. Yes, you're working on fire, boy. We are running about things we have blood from the here. Eh? Come on, let's go. Come on, even come here, you're going to see it and come on, here. Stop here, come to it. When you see me, you're ready now. Stop here, come on, let's do it. Alright. Stop Yeah, that's what we say, let him out. I will let you out. And you say, come on, also. Edward, bigger than you. You hear that? Exactly. The blood classes right here. Oh, it's the police. Fight police. Fight police. You hear me? I tell you, notice a while ago. Listen to me, I said. Now the reality we are telling you. Yeah, we have to pass. Just come here, me just know you. Just come here, me just know you. See you? We don't know that. We have your gunman themselves with about. Hey boy, we have video before you get a gunman friend them. Now Indecom boy. I'm good. You come here now. There's blood clot coming out. You can play police boy. It's tell you Indecom. You have blood clot in the
So, after I watch a video, you know, what come to the mind? I talk for all, you know, both rich and both poor people them in Jamaica. Because this can be a rich man's son, you know. It can't be anybody, me don't know a rich man's son look different. Them maybe if they see me as my full son, they not gonna know, but maybe through him just certain way and him talk certain way. You know, or leeching son or daughter, you understand? Maybe through them look certain way and can talk immaculate. And maybe if it then go say, oh, my dad, you know, is my dad. You understand? So them now go say them kind of things. Maybe the person, the rich man's son would even get for video. Them would just move and can say, sorry sir. You understand? Sorry boss. Because them name protect them. Them father protect them. You see what I'm saying? Classism are going on in Jamaica. I don't know if you know that. And them things are set by politicians and our government. So everything trickle down from the government. They say if the head of the stream dirty, the bottom go dirty, or the lower go dirty. You see it? So if you don't hear if you don't listen what the man, what the police youth them a say. Police youth. You talk to one police. Big man thing. You would have really want to know say you have a youth and a son and a daughter or a brother up on the road. They might go washing cars somewhere. and book up in a police like Huno and them deal with your family member, so you would have like that. Alright, for instance, it happened to your family member. How you would have feeling? You would have just tell them, say, yo, I saw the worst set, you know. I saw the first set, you know. No, 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 go blouse and skirt face, so no, go say that. No, go want to say, yo, who that? Because I know Jamaican police day. Is what I say, it's an organization, and you see, from once you have criminal mind, is me? Even if you don't have criminal mind, but you see law-abiding citizen Jamaican police, where no corrupt, them a go still want to know who them. Is what I say? Them a go still want to know who, but them have to go be cautious of how them approach the situation because them don't know who them, because them, if you see this and you hear this, you know, this sound like some criminal police. Where them a do this, so I hide, I eat. If you hear the video where the man say, yo, I'm gonna read out some things when I write them because I want to know if it take them point, then key points, you know, what them are saying in the video, you know. Listen what the police, what them are say to the youth. See? I'm not listening to the video, but I go through it again. Police say, hey boy, you want we give you something for ramp with. Hey boy, we will send you an Indecom, you know. You know we think we come on road for ramp with people. It's bigger than you. You hear what I part there? This bigger than you. Read between the lines. This bigger than you. When I read between the lines, you know, I know if pick up certain things, you know. Because they want to justify their action by saying things. Is it not more than the youth catch all in cover and two of them a movie man go to man start video because of that the youth say in a video. And I may have to really say because me would have video too. Would have just pop up my phone and start video and go on like say a live because the youth act like it's a live him do when him a video that would have save youth life, you know. You see me? Yeah, the policeman say, yo, this bigger than you people. Who only think, tell me only think down in the comment section and make a reason upon this car. This so sound right, yo. Them police are criminal. Here where the man continues to tell you, the man say, yo, avoid police. Oh, avoid police. When time in the street I go and protect and serve and reassure, you know. And come across people without malice towards none, you know. Them thing on the right, yo, I wonder where the JCF, where the commissioner. I not see nothing, you know. I not see nothing put out by, you know. I not see no probe or nothing, you know. I don't know if I see it. Tell me down in the comment section so I know I can look for. But I not see nothing like that. All of them things are going, and there is nobody to put these police in a them place. You understand? And the man continue to say, me just come here. And me know yo, I trick the youth, you know. So the youth they have to go watch him, you know. And the video in the last part, me I go do a part few. Is it me I say, cause the youth have a video where I explain himself. So me I go do a part few on that and make you see what I want. You see what I say? And here where the youth actually I say why him go there so. You see what I say? A joke thing, yo, them thing enough for people. Yo, let's open the serve, you know, people, you see me? Give thanks, man, you see me? Like and share, and just to all of the new viewers, them just subscribe, you see it? Bless upon yourself and have a wonderful and prosperous day, you see it? Prosperous day.